మమ్మీ మమ్మీ ఈ మిలిటరీ వాళ్ళు వస్తున్నారు, భయంగా ఉంది. ఫ్లాగ్ తీసుకొని వస్తున్నారు.
మీ అబ్బాయి ఈ దేశానికి చేసిన సేవ దేశ చరిత్రలో ఎప్పటికీ నిలిచిపోతుంది. వి సెల్యూట్ మా.
Kargil Vijay Diwas, celebrated every year, is a significant day in the history of India. It is observed to pay tribute to the bravery of Indian soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the country during the Kargil War of 1999. Additionally, it is also commemorates the country's victory over Pakistan in the Kargil War of 1999 and marks the successful culmination of Operation Vijay. In this operation, the Indian Armed Forces reclaimed the territories in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir that had been infiltrated by Pakistani soldiers and militants. Kargil Vijay Diwas is a solemn reminder of their sacrifices and a celebration of their valor, serving as a unifying movement of national pride and gratitude.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, तुम खूब लगा लो नारा, ये शुभ दिन है हम सबका, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गंवाए, कुछ याद में भी कर लो, कुछ याद में भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर न आए, जो लौट के घर न आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। फिर गिर गए होश गवा के जब अंत समय आया तो, अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं, जब अंत समय आया तो कह गए कि अब मरते हैं। खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Kargil Vijay Diwas is celebrated every year on 26th of July in India to observe the India's victory over Pakistan in Kargil War for ousting Pakistan force from their occupied position on the mountain tops of northern Kargil district in Ladakh in 1999. This day is celebrated all over India and in the national capital of New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldier of Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Functions like this are celebrated and organized all over the country to commemorate the countries of Indian Armed Force. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you everyone for being the part of this commemoration day. Congratulate the coordinator of this commemoration day, Dr. Kingston Jagannathan, and the main singer, Dr. Rosemary, and all supporting faculty members who participated in the skit. I also thank all participants of this commemoration day. Thank you everyone for being the part of this important commemoration day of India. Thank you so much. Thank you each and everyone. Thank you all.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे